Exercise 1.1, second question. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Okay. Now it is given odd integers. You have to prove that 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So let us take a be that integer and b as 6. Why we took 6 is you have to prove that it is 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 like that. So b will be 6. Now a is equal to bq, that is 6q plus r you can write, where r is equal to 0 is less than or equal to r less than 6. That means r can take value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 up to 5. Okay, so in that one, which are the numbers it will come? A can be, a is equal to first one 6q plus 0, that is 6q itself, then 6q plus 1, then 6q plus 2, now 6q plus 3, then 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5. Okay, now look at this one. 6 is a even number, so when you multiply a number with an even number, if the number is odd or even, if you are multiplying that number with an even number, it will automatically change into even number. So 6q is an even number, 6q plus 2, so 6q even number, adding 2 to that number, that again it will become even number. Now again 6q, that even number, plus 4 is an even number, so 6q plus 4 is also even number. Now among this one, which are the odd numbers? 6q plus 1, that is 6q is an even number. If you are adding 1 to that one, automatically it will be an odd number. 6q plus 3, 3 is an odd number, so you are adding 3 to an even number, so this is also odd number. Again 6q plus 5 is also odd number, so you write that is 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 is odd numbers, are odd numbers. Okay, you can give the reason. 6q plus 2, this one, they are even numbers, are even numbers because that 6 is an even number. Okay, so second problem is like that. So you have to look at the problem question, what is b for? Okay, so here b is 6. Now third question, you see, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to match in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So one group contains 616, other one 32, so we should get same number on both sides. That means you are asked to find out HCF of 32 and 616. Okay, now among 32 and 616, which is greater number? 616 is greater number, so 616 you divide with 32. Okay, 32 1, so it will be 9, then 296. So it will be 32 into 9 times 9 2s are 18, 3 9s are 27, and 28. Okay, that 8 will come. Okay, so here 19 plus 8. So reminder, you are getting there. So 32 you write in terms of 8. We know that 8 4s are 32. That remainder will be 0. So what will be HCF of 32 and 616, the number written above that one, that is 8. So in 8, in group of 8, they can march. Okay, they can march. So HCF of 32 and 616 is 8. So the answer is also 8. Now look at that one, fourth one. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that square of any positive integers is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integers m. Now hint is given, let x be any positive integer, then it is of the form 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Now square each of these and show that they can be rewritten in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay, now here hint is they already given there how to solve the problem. So let us take x be any number. So here b is equal to x be the number and b is equal to 3, b equal to 3. So x you can write as 3q plus r, 3q plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than 3, that means r can be 0, 1 or 2. So your x can be 3q and 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Now you have to take the square. It is given, you have to prove that square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1, like that. So first let us take x is equal to 3q, then x square will be equal to 9q square. So 9q square you can write 3 into 3q square. Okay, again 3q square you put as m, you will get 3m, where m is equal to 3q square. You have to just show that it is in the form 3 times something. Okay, so where m can take the value 3q square. Now if 3x is equal to 3q plus 1, when we are squaring that one, x square will be equal to 3q plus 1 the whole square, a plus b the whole square. So it will be a square, that is 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Okay, now here 3 is common in this 2. So if when you are taking 3 out, what you will get? 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Now you can write that 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Okay, here m was 3q square, here we wrote m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. That means m can take any value, some terms should be there, but you have to write that in the form 3m plus 1. Okay, Now second one, the third one, x is equal to 3q plus 2 the whole square. So squaring that one, x square is equal to 9q square 12q plus 4. Again this one, 9q square plus 12q. I am splitting that 4 to 3 plus 1. Why I am splitting this one is you have to write it in the form 3m plus 1. Okay, so to plus get that 1 and 3 in common, you are writing that. So from this 3 you can take outside. Here you will get 3q square 4q plus 1 again plus 1. That is, you can write it in again in the form 3m plus 1, where here m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Okay, so here different values for m you are getting. First one m you got as 3q square, second one m you got as 3q square plus 2q, third one m you got as 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Our aim is to put that in the form 3m plus 1 or 3m. Okay. Fifth one, use Euclid's division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, so cube of that one. So here we took as square of a number, so here we have to take as cube of a number. So let a, you can write, let a be that number. Now b is equal to 3 you can write. Why? Because it is given 9. When you are multiple of 3, when you are taking, that only time you will get 9. Now a you can write as 3q plus r, where r is equal to 0 is less than or equal to r less than 3. That means r can be 0, 1 and 2. Now a will be equal to 3q when r is equal to 0, or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Okay, now cube you have to find out. So a cube will be equal to 3q the whole cube, so it will be 27 q cube. So you have to write in terms of 9. So can you write that one, 9 into 3 cube? Okay, so this will be our m, that is here 9m you can write, where m is equal to 3 cube. Okay, now second one, a is equal to 3q plus 1, again cube that one, a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube. Then 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. Now here a cube will be equal to a 3q cube, so 27 q cube, 3 into 3, so 27 q square plus 3 into a, that is 9 q into 1 square, that is again 1. So here 9 is common there, 9 you take outside, so 3q square plus q plus 1. So here or m is equal to this one, you can write is 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Okay. Now second one you have to take a is equal to 3q plus 2. Again cube that one. So it will be a cube is equal to 27 q cube, then 3 into q, so 3 into 3q the whole square into 2, then 3 into 4 plus 8, so 27 q cube, 27 into 2, 54, then 9 into 4, 36 q plus 8. Now here also 9 common there, 3 cube, 6q square plus 4q plus 8. So again you can write it in the form 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. So you have to express that one cube of any number, you can write as either 9m, that is the first number we got. Second one you can write as 9m plus 1, this one, and third one you can write as 9m plus 8. So here m value varies. M value first one 3q cube was there, second one this one is the m value, and third one m is this one. Okay. Now fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this prime factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. That means every composite number you can write is as a product of some prime numbers. Okay. Here example 6 it is given there. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. We have already learned this one in 6th standard. So 6 example 6th one, 6 and 20 are the numbers. So 6 you can write as 2 into 3. Now 20, how will you write? 20 prime factors you will write as 2 into 2 into 5. 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Now what is HCF? HCF means highest common factor, highest one, and common one is only 2, so HCF is 2, and LCM will be 2 into, then 2 into 3 into 5, that is 6 6 into 10, 60 you are getting. Okay. Now look at this one. 6 is a composite number. You can write as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. The prime factors is of 6 are 2 and 3. 20 again composite number. You can write it 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. The only way, only prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Whether you write 5 on first one or 2 on second, that does not matter. Order is not a matter, but only way of expressing, that is the unique way of expressing prime factorization of the composite numbers. See, now one more result also it is given there. HCF of two numbers, then LCM of that two numbers will be product of that two numbers. Okay, LCM and HCF when you are taking. So let us take 2 into 60, that is same as 6 into 20, 2 6. Here also 120 you will get, and also 120 you will get. Okay, so HCF of 2 or 3 numbers, then LCM of 2 or 3 numbers, when you multiply that one, you are getting the product of that numbers. Okay, now example 7. HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method you have to find out, and you are asked to find out the LCM. 96 and 404. (96) 48 24 12. So 96 you can write as 2 into 2 into 2, 3. 402 you can write as 404, 2. Then 101. So 2 into 101. 101 is a prime number. So here, what is HCF? That is common thing. HCF is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. LCM will be these all into 106. Okay, so LCM by using that formula, that is HCF into LCM is equal to product of that numbers, product. So let us take that one. HCF here is 4. So here LCM will be equal to 96 into 404. So LCM will be equal to 96 into 404 by 4. So 101. 96 into 101 is the LCM you are getting. So 96 multiply. Okay, now again HCF of LCM and example 8, you see HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120. Okay, 6 you can write as 2 into 3 only. 72 8 9s are 8, you can split as 2 into 2 into 2. So if you know that one, that way also you can write. 36, then 18, then 9. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then another one is 120. Here also 120 you can write as 12 into 10. 12 you can put as 2 into 2 into 3. Then 10, 2 into 5. That way also you can do. So one thing we will do like this. 12 and 10. 12 how will you split? 2 into 2 into 3. 10 how will you split? 2 into 5. Which one you feel easier, that method you can take. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now look at here, which is the HCF. We are getting common one, that is HCF is equal to 6, and LCM will be 6 into, again 2 will be 2 into 2 into 5 you will get. Okay, now here also LCM by this method also you can find out. Okay, so otherwise LCM will be 2 into 3, that is common one. Now which one is remaining? 2 2s and 1 3 is remaining. Again 5, 2 5s are 10, then 9 9 4s are 36, 36 into 10 360 you will get. Okay.